You don't see many of these around anymore. That's for sure. It's not even a push button, it's a 3 on the tree, it looks like. It's pretty cool. Little Valiant signature. Signature 200. I'm guessing a 63. I don't know my Valiant years very well, but I think it's 63. I'm just driving down Grand Avenue here by DMV in West Duluth, Minnesota, and spotted this, that I'd do a little video of it. I'd drive it, it's pretty cool. Some pretty neat patina there. I just talked to the guy, his name's Ken, real nice guy. Started right up, pretty cool. Whole thing runs great. See you later. Thing runs nice and smooth. Yeah, I thought I'd share a little video of it. Have a good one.